Hey guys, this is Taylor Moss from Everything Under the Sun, and today I'm going to show you guys a simple Java tutorial using NetBeans 7.0. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm just going to go over some basics of Java. I'm just going to make a little, basically a hello world app, a little more advanced than that, but let's get right to it. So if you go up here to File and go to New Project, make sure it's just the Java application. Click on Next, name it whatever you like. For this, we'll just call it Hello World. Um, Actually, let's just call it test. I make sure it has a main class and is the main project. Then you can click finish. It'll make that for you. It'll make some preliminary text and comments. These right here are comments that it adds. You can erase those if you like or keep them, doesn't matter. Alright, so what this is saying is this is the package. This is the thing NetBeans does, so if you make more than one class, which is a file right here, it'll all be referenced by this one package called test. Alright, so then right here, this is called a main method. A method is just a block of code that you use that does something. So this is just the generic standard one that's made for you by NetBeans. It's called public static void main strings open close brackets args. You'll get really used to seeing that. It's just this one is the main thing. So right up here, if you hit run, it runs whatever is in this main method. So right off the bat, we can make a hello world Java application in a few seconds. So what you need to do is just type in system.out.println, and then in these quotes you can type whatever you like. So for the purpose of this, we'll just type hello world, and alright, that's it. The whole program's done. So if you go down here and hit run, you'll see down here it says hello world. In different IDEs, Eclipse or BlueJ, actual box will pop up on your screen showing you this rather than just being this little box down here, but for NetBeans this is how it does it. So you have your hello world application, but that's kind of lame. Wouldn't it be a little cooler if we could type in something and have it say something else? So what we'll need to do first is we'll need a variable. So let's make a variable called a string. Anything with text is a string variable, basically. So let's make a string. Let's just call it text. And that's all we do. But now we're going to need to type something. We need to type something, so we need to import what's called a scanner, and a scanner scans your keyboard's input. So first we have to import it. So we import java.util.star. Now what this does is it would import all of Java's utilities. This star means all. I could have imported just could have imported just scanner, but I always just do star because memory's cheap. So if you import java.util.star, it'll let you use a scanner variable. So if we go down here, we do scanner in equals new scanner system.in. And that'll basically give us a really basic scanner, and the name of the scanner is called in. So this text variable we made a few seconds ago, it's called text, and now we want that to be set to whatever we type in on our keyboard. So in order to do that, we have to set string text equal to in dot next line. Okay, so what this does is in is referencing this scanner right here. So it's saying in the scanner, take the next line. Now you could do next, but that would just take one chunk of text. So if you did a space or anything, it wouldn't get anything after the text. So that might be useful. Or you could do next int, which would do a number, or next double, which would do a double-digit number. But just for this, we're just going to do string text equals in.nextLine. So that will set our text to whatever we type in the keyboard. So now on this print line, instead of printing hello world, we could say something to the effect of, well, here, let's do this. So before anything happens, let's say system.out.println, And let's say, what is your name? So what will happen is down here it will say, hey, what is your name? Because we're outputting that on the system.out.println. Then it will take what we input through our keyboard, through this scanner, apply it to this text string variable, and now down here, instead of saying hello world, we could say hello plus text. So what this will do is it will say hello, add a space, and then this is what they call concatenation. It's when you want to add multiple text strings or multiple variables in different things. So you do hello space, and then you would concatenate text. So now it will say hello space and then text. So if we run this, it will say, what is your name? My name is Taylor. Enter, hello Taylor. Hope you guys learned something. Please rate, comment, subscribe. If you guys like this tutorial, I could definitely make a lot more. And thanks for your time.